What about some grapes? You like grapes?
Oh, I love grapes.
Okay, I'll take this purple balloon.
Yeah.
About halfway, inflate it,
Right.
tie it off.
I like purple grapes.
I'm going to simply,
Lots of bubbles.
lots of bubbles to make grapes. All about the same size.
Yeah.
Hold the first bubble.
Yep.
And just keep pushing out grape size bubbles.
Right.
And eventually keep an eye down here, you'll run out of balloon.
Right.
So that determines the size of your bunch. There we go.
You get sore fingers.
Keep your fingers nice and supple.
Right.
Keep going.
That's lots and lots of bubbles.
And about to the end.
Right.
You get to the end,
And what do you do now, Pastor Darren?
I'm simply going to bust the end of this balloon
Okay.
to tie it off.
Right.
So hold your last bubble,
Yep.
then
Bang.
break it. Then tie off
Mm-hmm.
your last bubble. And then I'm going to wedge that last bubble up to my first bubble.
Right.
And then wedge the bubbles through each other
Right. To lock them together.
to lock them into a bunch.
Right.
And there is a bunch of grapes.
Yeah, you've done a really great job of that.
Thank you, Arnie.
Yeah.
So there
Fantastic.
you go, an apple, an orange, and some grapes.
Some grapes. Oh, I love these fruit. Thanks for that, Pastor Darren.
No worries, enjoy.